Welcome to Royal Enfield's Journeying Across the Himalayas.
Over the last 70 years, the Himalayas have become a spiritual home for Royal Enfield. Celebration of all the activities that we've been doing in the Himalayas.
Getting to know their cultures, their customs, their practices.
Food cultures, the stories of indigenous knowledge on the ground, the stories of fermentation. The Northeast is so rich in stories.
Talking about the community, traditional knowledge, gender, art, I think everything is connected to the other.
So I think in terms of the Himalayas, we know changes are happening so fast.
Culture is constantly evolving, it's growing, it's changing, it's moving and shaking together with its people. So it's alive, it's dynamic, it's not static.
The whole idea is to document the intangible cultural practices.
This exhibition is interactive. It invites participation.
The collaboration with Enfield, where you have a base of knowledge, and when it travels, then it is spread across many people. And I think that's what we need.
So that's how the partnership has happened. We've been able to scale up our work with this partnership.
This festival is one of the windows through which people can come and make them aware of what all we can do.
I feel the young Indian is adventurous today.
Royal Enfield has a big role about the things that are happening around ice hockey. I would have never imagined that we would be discussing ice hockey sitting here in Delhi.
Responsible tourism can directly contribute to the livelihoods of these communities who live in remote landscapes.
I could say this is just the beginning.